Hi guys, it's Ido Abbas. Welcome to IT Best Tech Journey. I hope you have been having a blessed week. Without wasting much of your time, I just want to be, unveiling another new tech solution to you on how you can actually back up your entire contact on your phone. I will be showing you a safer method on how you can actually back up your full contact using your email or your Gmail account, because most times many people message me to tell me that they misplaced or their contact on their phone storage got erased or lost due to either the phone is malfunctioning or they no longer gain access to the phone again, or the phone was stolen, or whatever issues you might have encountered with the phone. So I'll be showing you how you can actually back up your full contact or your contact from your contact list to your email, which is a safer way and a safer method to just to keep and to store your contact worldwide. Wherever you find yourself in life, you can actually, as much as your email account exists, that contact will still be available. And also, after that, I'm still going to show you how to also back up all your conversation on WhatsApp. Even if your WhatsApp account is no longer working, or you're no longer using WhatsApp again, then all the conversation you've had in the past, you need them back. I will show you how you can actually accompany that. Now, if you want to back up your contact on your contact list, now I'll be clicking on contact on my phone memory. Now this is contact. You go to your contact on your phone memory, depending on the kind of phone you are using. This is my contact here. I click on contacts. Then you navigate to the three dots at the top. Depending on the phone you are using, like I said, your these three dots or dash may be at the right hand side of your phone, depending on the kind of phone you are using. So I'm going to be tapping on it now. And once you tap on it, it will take you down to settings. Then you select settings. So I'll be selecting settings. Other settings, you are going to see default storage location. This is actually where you set your default storage. This is where you can set your email or your Gmail account as your default storage. You can see now this is my Gmail account there, which has already been set as my default storage. All my contact I have on my phone, even the previous phones I've used in the past 2010, 2009, I still have all the contact on my email today, and they are appearing on my contact list now just as I'm speaking. You get it? So that's how it works. So I've already set it. So if you are setting it for the first time, you just tap on it, then select your default location. You select the email here. Please don't select phone memory. So memory is not. You can save on phone. I'm not saying you cannot save on phone, but it's not a safer method or means of saving your contact, because anything can happen to your phone. You get it? Basically, your phone may get misplaced, stolen, it may get spoiled, etc. Or you may, when the need arises, you may want to upgrade to a different phone. So that's why it's good to back up your contact to your Gmail account, and it is safe. It is safe. It is safe. You can access it anywhere. Even if your phone gets lost, another person's phone, you want to use it to call somebody, you can just enter your email address, that person's phone, and from your email address you can extract your contact out. So that's like, so you select the default location. There's SIM card. You can also save a SIM card, but SIM card, why I don't advise to save on SIM card is, SIM card most times when you save your SIM card, maybe when your SIM card gets spoiled, or there's a challenge, you have challenges with your SIM card, you will not be able to get your contact. And also, SIM card has a limited storage. I think the storage for SIM card MTN also is up to like 200 contacts or 150, while some, depending on the kind of phone you're using. But most times SIM card has a limited storage. But email, you can store limitless number of contacts, ranging from thousands to millions on your email account. So that's how it is. So by default, my email address is idbest Ido Abbas. That's my default Gmail account I'm using as my default storage. So that's for that. That's how you can set that. Then going forward, I'll be also taking you to how you can actually back up your conversation for WhatsApp. So all your WhatsApp chat. When I mean conversation, I'm talking about all your WhatsApp chat, all the conversation you've had in the past in WhatsApp, how you can actually be backing them up in case of eventuality. Maybe when your WhatsApp is no longer working again, or your WhatsApp mistakenly got uninstalled, or your WhatsApp needed upgrade, you are trying to upgrade it, everything gets messed up, and you have to remove it and install it again back. When you remove and install back again, or you have to reset up again. So that's I will be showing you this other method to how you can back them up, so that anytime you remove your WhatsApp, that fear of saying I will be losing my conversation, or I will be losing my previous chat, or my message conversation will no longer be a fear for you. So I will tap on my WhatsApp now. So if you are backing up your WhatsApp, this is how you back up your WhatsApp. Just you select the 3 dots at the top, the right hand top of the screen. You select it, then you click on it, you tap it, select settings. Once you select settings, there you navigate to chat. If you can see it on screen, you click on chat, select chat. From chat, you scroll to chat backup. This is chat backup on the screen. If you're following, you click on chat backup. Then first and foremost, you go and set your default location of backup. Basically, I advise you back up your chat conversation to your Gmail, so that to your Gmail account, so that it will not mistake your phone storage. So I normally, if you can see by default, my chat Google account has been my default chat backup. So you select it, then you select your Gmail account. If you've already logged in, normally if you are using a Gmail app on your phone, once you log into your Gmail, you enter your Gmail details. Locally, it has been stored on your phone. Automatically, it will show up here. But if it didn't show up here, just go and download Gmail app on Google Play Store. There, log in your Gmail account. Everything is set. Once everything is set, you come back to this. Just come back to this step again. You will see your Gmail will appear here. So that's it. So like by default, my Gmail account has already been selected. This is my default email, personal Gmail. Those other ones, they are my work email, my tech emails. You get it? You select it. After you've done that, you go to backup to Google Drive as well. Then you go and set the duration, the interval you want it to be backing up, either weekly, monthly, daily, or you don't want it to, or you want to be doing it manually. You can choose it from this place that you see backup to Google Drive. So if I click on it and you see it, by default I've set it to be backing up weekly. You see it, or you can also set it to be backing up daily, or you can also set it to be backing up when you tap backup. You get it? So once you select that, then you scroll down to this place. You select backup using cellular network. If you are in office that you normally have wireless free Wi-Fi, that you can be using, getting access to Wi-Fi, you can turn it off so that it will not be using your data. You can use your Wi-Fi to back up when you get to the office. You get it? But if you are using your normal data, you can just turn it on here. Then you can as well tick on this other place. You can as well tick on, tick on this one, but I turn it off. I advise you turn it off, because if you tick on this one, it will also back up videos. Maybe videos they've sent for you on group. You can also back it up in the past. But I turn it off because of I don't actually need them. They are not to me. I don't think that is necessary to me. But it depends on your own choice or preference, or what you choose to do. But if you know there are videos you also have to be included, you can also tick it. You can mark it good. But now, as you can see, it's marked turned off. I turn it off. So if you have done that already, if you're backing for the first time, you just click on backup. Then everything, all the conversation you've had will be backed up. You get it? But subsequently, you don't need to come to backup again, be tapping backup again. What you just need to do is every week, automatically, since you have set it to be weekly, a routine, automatically weekly, all the conversation you've had in the past will be backing up to your Google Drive. So anytime your WhatsApp is uninstalled, or you change your phone, you place your phone, or you're no longer using that phone again, you have another phone you want to be using WhatsApp, there's that fear of saying all your conversation, your messaging conversation, your chat conversation, you'll not be able to get them back. That can solve that problem issue of, it's just for you to install the new WhatsApp, enter your phone number. When you click on login, automatically it will pop up, restore backup. Then you just enter your Google account. All the conversation, the chat messages conversation, you get them back through that way. So I hope this tutorial helps, and I hope you gain something new from it, and I hope you learn from it, and I hope you're having a wonderful tech journey. So see you at the top.